To replace the grass bag frame on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, first lift up the mower's rear door and remove the bag and frame. Detach the retaining clips securing the bag to the frame and slide the bag off. When installing the new grass bag frame, slide the bag over the frame, making sure to keep the frame handle accessible. Now align the grass bag retaining clips on the frame and snap them into place. Lift up the mower's rear door, position the grass bag and frame, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.